Hey everyone, today we're breaking down the brand new workflow for setting up a print-on-demand order with Mixam. We've streamlined the process to give you more control, but there are a few essential steps you need to know before getting your project live, so let's dive in. First things first, before you can start a print-on-demand project, you must register for a Mixam account and complete your publisher profile. Even if you're a longtime Mixam user, you'll need to pop in and finish this section before setting up any new on-demand orders. Think of this as your on-demand managerial hub, and once it's saved, you'll unlock the rest of our tools. Now, here's the biggest change. You no longer build your publications on the general landing page, but instead, head over to your publisher profile and look for the Build and Publish tab. From here, select the product you want to create and fill in your custom specs. As you adjust your options, keep an eye on the bottom of the screen as you'll see your price per copy update in real time. Once you're happy with the specs, hit that Create Product button to start selling. This then creates a pending order page where you'll finalize the project. Upload your artwork and then head straight over to the Product Details tab to enter in your title, description, and pricing strategy. On this page, you can also set your product genre and badges to help it stand out, as well as offering a flipbook preview. Once your details are filled in, enable the product and select Save and Publish at the bottom. Finally, scroll up to the top of the page and confirm everything looks as intended. Once this is complete, our print experts will need to approve the project one final time before it goes live. Also, please make sure you've linked a payout account because without this, your customers won't be able to complete a purchase. And that's it! Your print-on-demand project is now complete and is ready to be sold. Stay tuned because we have more videos coming soon that break down the entire print-on-demand process and all of our latest updates. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, drop us a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and happy printing!